from his system, and all my passwords would be accessible from within his system also as well. So far, any questions? Questions? आपका मैं देख लूँगा एक बारी कैसे होएगा. Okay. No, the same password again, so that you are not doing any mistakes while typing it. This is going to be your master password. Yeah, so it is the same password, so that while you are entering your master password, you are not doing any typo errors. Because if you do, finished. Yes, it is finished. Done? Okay. Now, this is where you create your profiles. तो इसका मतलब कि इसके अलावा कोई और पासवर्ड डाला हुआ है आपने, जो शायद ये रिकॉग्नाइज नहीं करा इसने अभी तक, क्योंकि ऑटोफिल के अंदर अभी एक ही दिखा रहा है. अगर मल्टीपल होते तो वो ड्रॉप डाउन में दिखा था कि ये पासवर्ड सारे अवेलेबल है, कौन सा यूज करना है. हाँ, एक बार आप डाल दो, लॉगिन कर लो, ये पूछ लेगा आपसे कि क्या ये सेव करूँ. Okay, can you, on the left hand side of it, can you see add profile? Now, this is where you can add your entire profile. Personal information, address, contact number, credit card information, bank account information, custom fields and notes. Here is where you can define Mr., Mrs., Miss, Doctor. I think that is self-explanatory. Do I need to go and do the entire thing? Okay. Okay. And in case of an address, gender you can specify here. Birth date is here. Social security number, since this is a company from USA, so they are asking for that. If you want, you can. I don't think you are ever going to require social security number, so you can just leave that field. Okay. That's right. I was saying that probably you could use your PAN number or something, but they don't use it. You don't have to do it. So you can just leave it blank. Now, this is the company. I'm sorry, you said something? Okay. Okay. Then this is the zip code, etc., everything. Now, this is all the information which you are going to require wherever you want to register yourself or log in into or sign up something. Okay. Name, email address, mobile number, and your address and your zip code. These are the most generic information which everybody requires whenever you are going to create a new account. Okay. So now once you can fill it over here, and then after that, wherever you go, a brief example I've shown you while registering my Twitter account and Facebook account. With 1 or 2 clicks, it will be done. And most websites recognize the format they have to offer. There may be some minor tweaks, like for example, it was not recognizing the gender in case of Facebook. It's again 1 click rather than you have to fill the entire form, it's just 1 click. And in some places like secure sites, specific of the nature of banking, where they would have displayed right clicks, they would have displayed copy pastes. Okay. The password you can see is still available. You can just read it and type it. Okay. Or you can use online virtual keyboard, okay, so that keyloggers would be again disqualifying against that. But leaving those things apart, everything else can be handled to a higher level of automation or probably the highest level of automation. Okay, any questions? Aapka chal gaya wo? Great. Then is credit card, okay. Now, credit card is something, it took me a little while to understand that whether this is safe enough to put my credit card information into this system. But then I researched a little deeper into that, and then that was the time when I discovered that they are using these kinds of algorithms, so I started feeling safe. Okay. Now you can start putting in your credit card information, name on card, rest is all self-explanatory. Wherever this kind of information is required, you don't have to pull out your card and then type in. It is available With a couple of clicks, you will be able to fill in that information wherever required and whenever required. Yes. Yes.
What is the chance of?
Did you SHA? You came little late. Okay. They have this policy that none of their employees, none of their servers are able to access your username and passwords. Why? Because I gave you an example कि आपने एक आलू लिया, उसको ग्राइंडर में डाल दिया और उसका end result क्या निकलेगा? It will be a mashup. Okay, mashed up thing. Now there is no way you can take this mashup and put it back into the shape of that potato. Okay. See, this is something required. See, you are not the first person who is concerned about his security, your security. And also you are not the first person who is going to be worried that if I create this thing into their system, what is going to happen? They have won many awards. Okay, you can. Yes. Same is true with credit card. आपको लगता है credit card companies जो हैं वो safe हैं? हर महीने या हर 6 महीने में आप information सोचते हो कि so many hundreds of credit card information got stolen. Now banking के अंदर आप ये सारा देख रहे हैं. So the thing is that we are forced to trust on those people, but we are not doing anything at our end. Okay, this is adding one more layer of that. Now there's a difference between you have kept your password secure. What if the site to which you are providing your password is not secure? Is this problem understood? Okay. I may be using SHA 256, which is the highest level of security level of algorithm available. But what if the site to which I am providing the password is SHA 1? So that way it will be easy to decrypt, but at their level, there are guarantees and systems which you can go and check your sites, and if you can hire somebody technically to evaluate it, there are people who are experts in security. For example, there is a person called Steve Gibson. He is world's top 10 renowned security advisors, and he works for FBI and other companies in case of requirement on a project-to-project basis. He has done a complete 45 minutes or maybe 50 minutes review of LastPass, and he says that I have done all the types of experimentations, I have done all the types of tests and put it to hardest possible tests, and they have successfully done that. But he also said other things about their competitors, which he said कि इसमें ये problem है, इसमें ये problem है, इसमें ये problem है. Okay, considering he is not getting paid by LastPass, I mean that is what we can assume, the system according to me is safe. Okay, now if there is any vulnerability that is going to be attacked, very highly probable that it is not going to be because of LastPass shortcoming, it is going to be because of your shortcoming or your system's shortcoming. दूसरा उसका तरीका ये है कि आप उसको कर दो कि 10 मिनट्स के बाद जो है आपने जो एक्टिविटीज जहां पे लॉगिन करना होता है यू डू इट मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम विद इन फर्स्ट 10 मिनट्स ऑफ ओपनिंग योर सिस्टम, ओके, और फायरिंग योर ब्राउजर. You put it to a system that it has to log off after 10 minutes. Settings के अंदर आप जाके कर सकते हैं ये चीज. Yes, yes. Settings में जाके आप ये देख सकते हैं. Let me just show you where it is. Now, इसके अंदर जो है अभी while Gaurav and I think Anurag or somebody asked me this question that I have to give this to my people, okay, and he has to be able to use it. So you can basically generate a sequence of one-time usage passwords and hand it over to your person. हफ्ता 10 दिन 20 दिन उसने यूज कर लिया या उसने 10-12 बार यूज कर लिया, he will be out of that system. He will no longer be able to access it from any place else. Okay, so there are very many things. You'll have to devise your own practice. But again, you have to have your best practices in place. If you don't do that, you are basically inviting trouble sooner or later. Okay. Now, again, यहाँ पर जो है there is something called PB KDF2. Okay, this is another algorithm. Okay, this is basically, what is this? This is basically encrypting your passwords in a layered fashion. Right now, I have set it to 1, which is not secure. It suggests that you can have it 5,000 layerings. Okay, it will create a blur first time, then it will take that end result and again create another blur for that, and then it will do that multiple iterations to the tune of 5,000 times. Okay, now if your system is slow, or if your device on which where you are going to use it, it is slow, then this can create problems. For general desktops, it is fantastic. Okay, so that means the final blurb which I was telling you about would be encrypted 5,000 times, and it will be so fast. For example, just to give an idea, if you're using Wi-Fi, there's something called WPA, okay, encryption system. Now, when you are putting in your password and you are sharing the password, it is actually encrypting that thing 4,000 times, 4,096 times. Okay, so smaller devices generally are sometimes slow while you are logging into the system, but your system, when you are working, it happens just like this. You don't even understand that it is happening 4,096 times. Okay, so with powerful systems, this is not a problem. Okay, but then again, for WPA is one of the easier algorithms to crack. Let me just tell you that. Okay, in this case, this is not possible. You can experiment. अगर आपको लगता है 5 मिनट में आपको लग रहा है आपको ज्यादा दिक्कत आ रही है, आप 10 मिनट कर दो, 15 कर सकते हो. Other thing is that if you shift your system from network, like say अभी मैंने पहले घर में अपना ब्रॉडबैंड से लॉगिन करा हुआ था, यहाँ मैंने फोन कनेक्ट कर दिया, it automatically logged me off. Okay, if you change your location from this location to this location, if I come to your office and try to log in with this, it will automatically log me off. Yes. So basic functionality is there, but yes, again, we don't have to act stupid and get hurt because of that. Okay, we have to have best practices in place. Any questions? Palta, your question is answered. Okay. I have also explained you about sharing the password, how you can share your password with your employees or friends securely. I'm going to show you a couple of more things over here. Yeah. You have to go to Vault, then this is the share icon. Okay. The middle icon. Okay. Now you have to click over it, put in the email address. You can just do that. आपके पास एक से ज़्यादा email addresses हो, आप एक बारी करके देख लो उसमें क्या impact आ रहा है उसके अंदर. I was telling you about bookmarklets. This is how bookmarklets things work. Now, this is the icon over here. It appears as an icon over here. In the background, there is some JavaScript working over there. Now, this thing is going to be created. There would be 3 icons that will be created in your devices, mobile devices. Okay. Whenever you have to enter into login, use your mobile device. Okay. It will ask you to enter this thing. आप जिस साइट के ऊपर गए हो उसमें आप लॉगिन इन्फॉर्मेशन के ऊपर आप क्लिक करोगे तो वो लॉगिन वाला सारा ऑटो लॉगिन वाला फंक्शनैलिटी उसमें आ जाएगी. अगर आप फिल वाली करोगे तो ऑटो फिल वाली आ जाएगी. फॉर्म्स फिलिंग वाली करोगे तो फॉर्म्स फिल हो जाएगा. आपके डिवाइस के ऊपर होगा. दिस इज गोइंग टू बी फॉर मोबाइल डिवाइसेस. ओके. इट विल बी वर्किंग थ्रू बुकमार्कलेट्स. ओके. इट विल बी अवेलेबल इन बुकमार्क्स एंड देन ये 3 आपको आइकॉन्स वहां पे दिख जाएंगे उसके अंदर. इफ यू आर ऑन टू एनी डिवाइस यू कैन प्रॉब्ली ट्राई दैट आउट. आई हैव इंस्टॉल्ड इट ऑन माय एंड्रॉइड yesterday for a 14-day trial. I can show you if anybody is interested how to work it on Androids. Okay, now I think this basic demonstration is over. All these things have been covered. I'm again asking for any questions, or I can proceed. Sure. Now I have also shown you one-time, explained you about one-time passwords, but this is how you are going to create them. One-time passwords. Okay. Now, there is a separate panel for creating and managing your one-time passwords. Okay. Now it is asking me to create new passwords. Add a new one-time password. With one click, it will generate one new password. Okay. It is an alternative to your master password.
It's an alternative to your master password.
Yes.
You have to share your master password with somebody.
Or if you are trying to open it in a hostile environment like a cyber cafe or something, then this is going to be your thing. Or another instance is that I just explained about WPA security system. Okay. If you are in a hostile environment कि आपने open वहाँ पर access है, कोई user ने password नहीं है, आपने Wi-Fi connect करा हुआ है. That is one of the most hostile situation कि आप तो अपना normal use कर रहे हो, but some hacker or some Yes, on that network can happen and can steal your information or install your spyware or something can happen. Okay.